Why women disappear after the first date. Here is why women don't connect with you. Why they might even block you after the first date and never ever let you into their bed. But if you could be the other way around, what if she was the one trying to get you into bed? Watch this video till the end, and if you already have a girlfriend, that might be what keeps her from looking at another man. Hi guys, I'm Anastasia Levitan, and this is channel with my boyfriend Leon 13 about relationships. So, real experiment from our life. We did an experiment. We sent our girl Kate and Julia on real dates. So think about that. Confident, attractive, open-minded woman. Their mission, not just flirting, but testing whether men actually know how to lead a woman to intimacy. Every woman. So, not with empty promises or ego-driven talk, but through a real connection, conversation, and touch. Yet, they went on a date with 30 different men. Yeah, think 30. And some of them were told directly. So, I want to spend the night with you, but only if it becomes the best night of my life. So, and why men failed? Oh my god, the result. Not a single man delivered. No clear strategy, just vague phrases like, trust me, I'll be the best, with no depth, no substance. Those words don't make a woman feel safe with you. They don't make her feel desire. They make her feel pressured. It make her feel like he saw her as an easy girl who would give herself away for a cocktail. Yes, one cocktail, and she go with you to the bed. Sorry guys, but no. Just empty talk, no respect. And when they felt the girl pulling away, they do. They started offering money. Yes, money, guys, which is the worst move you can make, especially with a smart, self-confident woman. You make money, you do money for her. And when even money didn't work, they lost it. They turned aggressive, they got rude. And then, after they got rude, they insulted women just because their ego couldn't take the rejection. Is that the kind of man you want to be? The next one, the other side of the story. Meanwhile, let me tell you what happened on the other side. My man, Leon 13, went on the just 10 dates. 6 of those women were ready to be with him the same night. Yes, the same night. And 4 of them agreed to a threesome with me and him. Yes, we spent an entire week in a full connection, full intimacy and full sex with women of all levels, models, influencers, even one with over 1 million followers. You know what I mean? And not one of them regretted. So why my Leon 13 did he success? Why? He didn't promise orgasm. He didn't talk about how great he is in a bed. He created a conversation that works on 2 levels, body and mind. The first things he asked this woman was, do you enjoy massage? What the kind have you tried? Did you even listen something about yourself through touch? Yes, it's easy, guys. So easy. He started the game without her noticing. He told them, I have a strategy for your body. Every woman asked, what kind of strategy? And just like that, he had their full attention. Then he said, I'll ask you a few questions and we'll see how well you know your own body. Yes, it's easy. Or how much more than it to discover. He asks about their boundaries and clarifies right away. Not sexual one. I'm talking about touch. Maybe there were areas on her body that he didn't help her relax. Yes, it's taboo, yeah? That didn't feel good during massage, and that's where it all began. The three those method. He introduced them to a full body map. First of all, neutral zone. No reaction yet, just observation. The next one, relaxation zone. Area they invite trust and calm, yes. And the third one, excitement zone, when her mind starts to melt. Boom! And then more he asked. The more they realized they didn't know their body own at all. And that made them deeply curious, because women don't just want physical release, they want to explore. They want to feel safe enough to open. Most men don't know how to create the space. He did. Personal's body map. That's when he made them an offer they couldn't resist. I want to create a personal massage map for you, based on your unique zones. And there is just 10 minutes he showed them how would you touch each other of their part body, based on their signals, their answers, and their energy. They were blown away. Why has no man even done this before? They was just warm up. Then he asked them, do you know what the yoni massage is? Only one woman had even heard of it. None had tried it. He explained what it means, the origin, the sacred intention, how with the right techniques and understanding of her body, a man can bring her to deep release using only his hands. And he addicted a woman like you can be touched like everyone else. You're unique and you deserve to experience this at least once in your life. And of course, the moment desire sparks, he was the one sitting in front of her, the one who could make it real. He finished by saying, "Why you're ready to rise to the next level? Just say me one word. I want." Some said it right then and there, because 99% of men do everything the same. You'll be the man who talks to her about her, who feels her without rushing. Why this works? Because women don't want to hear how powerful you are. They want presence, strategy, energy, sensitivity, intention, attention. They don't want pressure, they want curiosity. They want emotional fire and touch that start before it turns sexual. They want slow, deep, magnetic. And the final proof. We don't pay women. They pay us. Yes. $1,500 to $1,000 per experience. Models, celebration, influencer. One woman recently showed up in a Maybach with bodyguards and stayed with us for 3 hours and gave everything to my man with me there. So, you think it's a fantasy, yes? I know, but it's not. It's the art of touch, and there is our course. What you get from our course? First of all, a complete map of erogen zones, how to speak through touch, how to spark desire without a signal vulgar word, to build trust, safety, and real intimacy, and yes, yoni massage. A sacred experience, no porn, no cringe, just energy and elegance. And of course power. Call to action. Want to be just another guy with smooth talk and no follow through? Then you'll get ghosted, like 99% do. Want to become a master of touch? Strategy, the energy, the kind of man a woman wants to stay with? Click the link, read the description, get access to our course right now, and let This is the start of new reality, your new life, where women come to you, where feminine energy respond to your presence, and where you are the kind of man she desires with her whole being. Thank you guys that you saw all this video. It's the biggest pleasure for me, and I'm waiting for your subscribe, for your comment, and for a like. Thank you so much. I love you.